Hello students, welcome to maths class. Under the topic factors and multiples, we have already done how to find HCF and LCM. Today, we are going to discuss a special type under HCF and LCM. So, let's start with it. For that, we have to memorize one result, that is, product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Now, let's discuss how to use above discussed result with the help of examples. Here, statement of the first example is the HCF of two numbers is 3 and their LCM is 60. If one of the numbers is 12, find the other. Firstly, in the statement, we will underline the items which are given to us and circle the items which we need to find. Here in this question, we have given HCF of two numbers is 3. LCM is 60. If one of the numbers is, we have given one number 12. We need to find the other number. So we will circle the other. To solve the questions of this type, firstly, we will write down whatever is given and what we need to find. We have given HCF is equal to 3. LCM 60. So I have written LCM is equal to 60. We have given one number. So first is equal to 12. Find the other. We need to find the second number here. So second is equal to question mark. After that, we will apply the result which we have discussed above. Result is product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Two numbers are number 1 and number 2. Product means multiply. So I have written first multiply by second is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. After that, we will substitute the values here. First number given is 12. So write down 12. Multiply second number we need to find is equal to HCF in the question is 3. So write down 3. Multiply by LCM is 60. So write down 60. In order to find the second number, we have to shift 12 towards the right hand side. As 12 is getting multiplied here, so on shifting 12 towards the right hand side, it will be changes to divide. So second number is equal to 3 multiplied by 60. 12 will be divided here. On simplification, 12 and 60 comes on the common table of 12. 12 ones are, 12 fives are. We are left with 3 multiplied by 5. And we know 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. That is our second number. So write down second is equal to 15, which is the required answer. Let's move towards second example. Statement is the product of two numbers is 125 and their LCM is 25. Find their HCF. In this question, we have given product is 125. LCM given is 25. We need to find the HCF. Firstly, we will write down whatever is given and what we need to find. We have given product is equal to 125, LCM is equal to 25, HCF is equal to question mark, which we need to find. After that, we will apply the result. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. We have given product 125, so write down 125 is equal to HCF we need to find. Multiply by LCM given in the question is 25. In order to find the HCF, 25 must be shifted towards the left hand side. Here 25 is getting multiplied, so on shifting 25 it will be changes to divide. 125 divided by 25. You can also do cutting here, or you can divide 125 by 25 as done on the right hand side. You got the answer 5. So 5 is equal to HCF. HCF is equal to 5 is the required answer. Now let's move towards one more example. Statement is the product of two numbers is 72 and their HCF is 3. Find their LCM. We have given product is 72, HCF is 3. We need to find the LCM. So firstly write down whatever is given and what we need to find. Product is equal to 72, HCF 3 as given in question. LCM we need to find. LCM is equal to question mark. This question is opposite from the previous. In previous example we have given LCM, we need to find the HCF. Here we have given HCF, we need to find the LCM. After that we will apply the result. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Product given here is 72, HCF 3 multiply LCM required to find. In order to find the LCM, 3 should be shifted towards the left hand side, and we know on shifting 3 changes to divide. So on dividing 72 by 3 as done on the right hand side, we have got the answer 24. So LCM is equal to 24 is our required answer. Students, I hope you have understood about the special type under HCF and LCM and how to use the result with the help of examples. Now you are able to do the related work which we have sent to you in a SNAP homework. Thank you, students.